Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Suprit, welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 23rd January, and we'll start with the weather observed during the last 24 hours. Cold wave conditions observed in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, and then dense to very dense fog where visibility was less than 50 meter was reported in many parts of East Uttar Pradesh, in some parts of Bihar, in isolated pockets of West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam and Tripura. Also dense fog observed in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh, Odisha and Meghalaya. And then ground frost conditions were recorded in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh. Now we will see the synoptic system. The western disturbance is now seen as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood at 3.1 km above mean sea level, with a trough aloft in middle and upper tropospheric levels. Also, the cyclonic circulation is seen over southwest Madhya Pradesh and neighborhood at 0.9 km above mean sea level. Then a cyclonic circulation lies over East Bangladesh and neighborhood up to 1.5 km above mean sea level. Also, a cyclonic circulation lies over southeast Arabian Sea of South Kerala coast at 0.9 km above mean sea level. And today highlight, there is no significant weather likely over any parts of country during next 4 to 5 days, except few places fog warning. And if you see the today's minimum temperatures, so minimum temperatures were below 0 degree over isolated places of Jammu and Kashmir, between 1 to 5 degrees centigrade over some parts of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and 6 to 10 degrees centigrade over many parts of plains of northwest and some parts of East India, and 10 to 18 degrees centigrade in many parts of central west and East India. Today's minimum temperature was recorded at Amritsar, Punjab, where it was 6.1 degrees centigrade. And if you see the departure of minimum temperature, so minimum temperature were appreciably higher than the normal over most part of the northwest and central west and East India. And if now we'll see the forecast of temperature, so gradual fall in minimum temperature is forecasted for northwest India by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade during the next 3 days, and thereafter no significant change. Also for central India, there is no significant change in next 24 hours, and after that 2 to 3 degree fall is forecasted. And for East India, there is no significant change over next 48 hours, and after that a gradual fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade is forecasted. Apart from these regions, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures. And now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is 23rd January. Dense fog warning is given for Himachal Pradesh, East Rajasthan, West Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Bengal, Sub-Saharan Bengal, and Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur and Tripura. Whereas dense to very dense fog at isolated places is predicted over eastern Uttar Pradesh. Also, cold wave warning is given for Himachal Pradesh along with thunderstorm warning in northeastern states. For day 2, that is 24th January, dense fog warning is given for Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha and northeastern states along with sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Whereas cold wave warning continues for Himachal Pradesh and thunderstorm warning continues for Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Apart from these warnings, from day 3 to day 7, that is 25th to 29th, there is no other major weather warning. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more details, please follow our website mausam.imd.gov.in. Thank you. Jai Hind.